In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set password in PDF file on WPS Office app. This is a useful feature if you want to protect sensitive documents and control who can view or edit your files. By setting a password, you can add an extra layer of security to your PDF and make sure your information stays private. To begin, open the WPS Office mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the document or project that you want to protect with a password. This can be any PDF file you already have saved in the app. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple documents stored. After locating the file, tap the three dots on the right side of the document. This will open additional options related to that file. Scroll down through the menu until you find the option that says Set Password, then tap on it to continue. At this point, you will see the option to enable a reading protection password. This type of password is required whenever someone tries to open and view the PDF. To enable it, enter your chosen password in the field provided, then re-enter the same password to confirm it. This step helps make sure there are no typing errors. You also have the option to tap Show Password, so you can double-check that what you entered is correct. In addition to reading protection, you can also enable an editing protection password. This prevents others from making changes to the document. To do this, simply enter a password for editing protection and re-enter it again to confirm. The process is the same as setting the reading password, and you can choose to use the same password or a different one depending on your preference. Once both passwords are set the way you want them, tap Confirm to apply the changes. Before finishing, it is important to take note that WPS Office does not support document password recovery. This means that if you forget the password, there is no way to retrieve or reset it. Make sure you remember your password or store it securely in a place you can access later. After reviewing everything, tap OK to complete the process. Your PDF file is now protected with a password, and your settings are successfully applied. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.